Jesus provides better things concerning our salvation, concerning our eternal future in Christ Jesus. If you're exhausted from chasing different things or a lot of things, let us remember that Jesus offers better things. If you feel forgotten or unseen, God is not unjust. He sees you. He notices you. He is not indifferent. If you doubt whether God will come through or delivers, remember He has sworn by Himself. He will not put His own name under vain, right? He will meet you. And if you feel unstable, anchor your soul in Christ. Anchor that is connected not on the depths of the unknown, but to God, our firm foundation. So better things doesn't come up from us working harder. They come from resting deeper in our God. Better things is not a perfect life. They're a secure soul today and in eternity.